Hello and welcome back to another daily update from Adam Stone. Of course, I am the General Stone himself. I do work for the fantastic goptions.com trading platform, and you are looking at another video update from me for your daily trading needs. Very quick one for me, as I'm not in my normal location. I am actually a Jewish man, and it is the Jewish New Year today, Rosh Hashanah. So of course, lots and lots of traders out there looking for a sweet trade or two to bring in the new year. Even if you're not Jewish yourself, by all means, you do have a sweet one too. In regards to some very quick and actually really exceptional market news. Yesterday we were talking about that US stock and US indice rebound. Today we have seen that really come into play. What I would warn all of you is to remember that the Fed Reserve is still pumping money into that US economy. We call it quantitative easing. There's other words for it, but basically it's them putting lots and lots of fresh money into the economy there in order to boost some stimulus and boost some general growth. Unfortunately, even though we're seeing some of that US rebound and feeling as if it's coming out of that recession period, what it really means is the moment that the Fed Reserve agrees with that and sees that for what it is, they will stop the quantitative easing. And many people out there really believe that however much the recovery really gets there, the minute that they pull out that quantitative easing in cash, we're going to see a real bucket load of trouble right there. Back to what we were again speaking about yesterday, that European big dramatic upward trend. It's pretty much everyone being congratulative to themselves, saying that, we're not going to go and help Syria. I'm not going to say too much on that because obviously it's quite a political area to be. A bit of a shame in the world these days that we still have things like that happening. But those euro indices and those euro stocks are really flying. We're looking at 1.5 to 2% gains in less than 24 hours. Really fantastic opportunities. Hunt out those stocks, hunt out that news, and do have your opinion and play on that. Back to one of the most popular pairs, we're looking at the euro dollar, of course. Yesterday I was explaining to you guys very briefly how it was range bound by the price of 1.32 at a high and 1.3190 as a low. Actually, as we saw yesterday and as we sort of predicted here on these videos, it has broken further down in price. That dollar is still strengthening while this Syrian problem continues. And we're actually seeing that euro dollar price now much closer to 131.60 and below. Best advice from me is very simple. Get your opinion, get your account running, take it nice and simply, nice and slowly, but focus on where those big trends lie. Obviously, timing in these trades is really crucial if you're going to make profit. Many of us, especially you here on YouTube, probably would have seen these videos, $200 to $2,000 gains, and lots of big promises and big statements. I like to keep it very simple. Never use 10% of your balance in terms of overall risk. You've always got to make sure your account can handle the ongoing risk. This is short-term trading, long-term results. As much as possible, try to pick those assets that are going to pay you out the highest form of payout. Here at G Options, obviously, we've got very high payouts across the board at 250 assets. If you do have the right size account, you can actually get 90 to 95% payout for your assets. My Skype and my information, of course, is here on the YouTube channel for you. My name's been Adam Stone. I do approve this message. Wishing you all a very happy, healthy rest of this year and a good new year, a sweet one for our Jewish traders out there. And fingers crossed we'll be speaking soon. All the best.